question. If x is a positive real number, then x power 8 plus 1 by x to the power of 8 given to you is 47. Now you have to figure out the value of x power 9 plus 1 by x power of 9. If you observe something with x plus 1 by x and you take that value as a and you square this particular equation, you are going to get x square plus 1 by x square. And then you will have another term which is 2 times of x into 1 by x, which is effectively nothing but 2. On the right hand side, what you will have is a square, and then you take a 2 on the right hand side. So this is the value that you are going to get for x square plus 1 by x square. Now square this equation once again in order to get an x power 4 over there. So if you get an x power 4 by squaring this, you are going to get x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 plus of 2 times of x square into 1 by x square. So that will again give you plus 2 over here, but I'm not writing that, and I'm doing a square minus 2 whole square and subtracting a 2 on the other side. Now, if you take x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 and you square that, you are going to get x power 8 plus 1 by x power 8. Again, you will get a term 2 over here, but I'm not writing it over here, and I'm going to write it on the other side. So a square minus 2, square of this, minus of 2, square this side, and subtract a 2 from this. This value is given to you as 47 on the question itself. So you are going to write a square minus of 2 whole square of this minus of 2 whole square of that to be equals to 49. This brings us to a simple situation where we get down to a square minus 2 whole square minus of 2 to be equals to 7. Now x is a positive real number, that's why I'm not taking into account the negative values of any of these numbers. Now if you look at this, you are going to get x square, a square minus 2 whole square of this is equals to 9. This implies a square minus 2 is equals to 3. A square will turn out to be equals to 5. And again, you are looking at the value of a as root over of 5. Now, what was the value of a? A was x plus 1 by x. So now I have the value of x plus 1 by x, which is root over of 5. I'm looking at x power 9 plus 1 by x power 9. Now, this, if I look at x plus 1 by x and do a cube of this, I'll get x cube plus 1 by x cube as a part of the expansion. And then if I cube it one more time, I'm going to get x power 9 plus 1 by x power of 9. So that's the root that I'm trying to take. X plus 1 by x is equals to root over of 5 is what we have at the moment. If I cube this equation, I'm going to get x cube plus 1 by x cube. And on the right hand side, you will get 5 to the power of 3 by 2. And you will have another term over here, because if you look at a plus b whole cube and expansion of this, you are going to get a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. This is the expansion of it, correct? Now, if you look at expanding this on the left hand side, you'll have two terms, x cube plus 1 by x cube, and the rest of the term I'm taking it on the other side. So I'm writing it as minus 3 times of x into 1 by x, that is going to give me 1. And then I will have x plus 1 by x, and x plus 1 by x is root over of 5. So I'm writing this as root over of 5. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is turning out to be this. If you take root over of 5 common over here, you are going to get a 5 over here minus of 3 over here. So that makes it 2 times of root over of 5 as the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Now, the last step is to cube this equation to get x power 9 plus 1 by x power 9 as the expansion of the term x cube plus 1 by x cube to the power of 3. You will get two of these terms, x power 9 plus 1 by x power 9. And then on the right hand side, you will cube this. So it will be 8 times of 5 to the power of 3 by 2. 8 times of 5 to the power of 3 by 2 minus of 3 times of x cube into 1 by x cube, that will give me 1, into x cube plus 1 by x cube, which was 2 root 5. So this is the term that you have. Now, if you go a little further, it's going to be 6 times of root over of 5. And if you take root over of 5 common, you are going to get 8 into 5, which is going to be 40 minus of 6. So that's going to be 34 times of root over of 5. X power 9 plus 1 by x power 9, the value is turning out to be 34 root over of 5, which is option C as the correct answer for this question.